Hey y'all, CM here. Haven't done an everyday carry update for a while, so this one should be pretty easy. Let's see, going through my vest here. Let's see, unopened can of Copenhagen wintergreen long gut. Good pokey bait, and hey, it's there if you need it. I don't anticipate cracking into that stuff. Like I said, all the rest of that's empty. Let's see. Got my little waterproof notebook. Good little selection of pens. Let's see, up here, got a little container for roaches and such. Got my business card container. And a US made Uncle Henry small stockman that I just recently cleaned up with acetone. Nice little knife. Great walk and talk. Let's see. Currently, it is skin 30. Don't have any watch on right now, so you get to see a very rare occurrence where I've bald, or yeah, when I don't got nothing on wrist wise and whatever. Yeah, don't really get to see that often myself. What else do I got? One Bic lighter, one medical pipe, kicking it old school, like in fucking high school, 10th grade kind of status. Oh yeah, and this guy, little A.G. Russell 154 cm and titanium frame lock. Cool little thingy. But beyond that, that's what I got. Until later on today, where Jody Sampson Amida or Jeffrey Mata High Hollow Grind should be coming. So until then, that's it. Later, guys.